In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where you're not able to log in with Wix due to authentication or caching problems. This can be a common issue for many users, but thankfully it's usually pretty straightforward to resolve. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to your browser's settings. This is a critical first step, so make sure you're using the browser on which you try to access your Wix site. Browsers can often store data that might be causing conflicts when you try to log in. Typically, you can access your browser's settings by clicking on the menu icon, which is usually represented by three vertical dots or lines in the upper right corner of the browser window. Once you do that, a drop-down will appear, and you should see an option that's labeled something like Settings or Preferences. With the Settings tab open, the next thing you want to do is locate the option to clear your browsing data. This is an essential part of solving login issues because cached data may be causing your login attempt to fail. Once you're in the settings menu, look for a section related to privacy or security. In this section, you should find an option that allows you to clear browsing data or something similar. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll see options to clear different kinds of data. Make sure to select both cached images and files and cookies and other site data. These pieces of information are stored by your browser from the websites you visit, and updating them can resolve login problems by forcing your browser to fetch fresh data from the Wix site. Choose these options and proceed with clearing the data. Depending on your browser and how long it's been since your last cleanup, this might take a few moments, so don't be alarmed if it's not instantaneous. After you've completed clearing your browsing data, it's time for the moment of truth. Try accessing the Wix site once again. Open up a new browser window or tab and enter the web address of your Wix site. With the old cache and cookies gone, your browser will reload the site with all its latest updates. Attempt to log in now. If everything went smoothly, you should now be able to log into your Wix account without issues. Congratulations if this step resolved your problem. However, if you're still experiencing difficulties despite these efforts, it might be worthwhile contacting Wix support for further assistance or checking if there are broader technical issues at play. Thank you for following along with these steps today. Clearing your cache and cookies is not only a good way to address login problems, but it's also a great practice for keeping your browser running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks.